Okay, so this multiple choice question is looking at working out the pH of a solution that is made from mixing hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide solution. So what we need to do first of all is work out the concentration of hydrogen ions that's actually left after you've mixed. So we need to work out how many moles we have of each of the reactants. So moles of hydrochloric acid and then moles of sodium hydroxide. So based on NCV, you would have 0.011 moles of hydrochloric acid because you've got 500 centimetres cubed of a 0.022 mole per litre solution, and then you'll have 0.010 moles of sodium hydroxide because you've got half a litre of 0.02 moles per litre solution. So when you mix them together, you will make sodium chloride and water because it is a neutralisation, and that is, it means it's a 1:1 ratio. So based on the 1:1 ratio, that means that the sodium hydroxide is limiting because you've got more acid than you do sodium hydroxide. So this is the limiting one, which means that's going to, I can't spell limiting, which means that's going to totally react, so you'll have none of that left at the end. And then that means that then the acid is in excess, you're going to have some hydrogen ions left over, and you would specifically have, if you take the moles of sodium hydroxide away, you will then have 0.001 moles of hydrogen ions left over in excess. Okay, now we know how many moles of hydrogen ions are left in excess. We can use the pH equation to work out what the pH of the solution is. However, just in case the whole solution isn't a litre, although it is in this case, we need to work out the new concentration. So SE is N over V, so the moles of hydrogen ions that are left over the total volume of the solution, which is now a litre because you had 500 plus 500. So obviously that's just going to give us the same number back out. So that's the new concentration of hydrogen ions, or of acid. So yeah, we take that concentration and then plug it into the pH equation. And if you plug all that in, so 0.001, you should get a pH of 3. And that's your final answer.